Yeah, we have a Gensar office here in Qatar, and it is called as Gensar Qatar office. And if you visit www.gensarholidays.com, it is a very interactive website which gives you all the information about the destinations, all the information about the prices, all the information about the travel arrangements. It is a very interactive, customer-oriented website through which you can get all the information, and all the phone numbers are given, and we have 24 hours service over the phone.
Do you have any special packages coming up in the last quarter of this year?
From August this year, 2010 onwards, we have very attractive packages announced already for Singapore, Malaysia and India.
If you want to talk a bit more details, can you give us the packages and details about the new one in August, which is already announced?
We have started the medical tourism, which was becoming very popular in the Arabian Gulf. It's a medical tourism based in India, and we have the Ayurvedic packages which are announced for the people who are in India. It is for the weight reductions, it is for the pains, back pains and diabetics and the heart diseases. We have special arrangements done with a group called Pankaja Kasturi. We have an exclusive joint venture with Ayurvedic chain called Pankaja Kasturi, and it is announced already for the coming months.
India, with a robust economy, I'm sure you'll agree that it has added another feather to its cap, the medical tourism. It's being very popular in India. So how does Gensar play its role in that part?
We don't promote medical tourism as a package. We have a joint venture with Ayurvedic chain, and we do it as our own. And we have special attention given to our tourists who are coming there as patients or tourists, and we teach them different aspects of medical tourism, and we have yoga classes, and we have different classes given to them first, and then we have a consultation period which will be mixed with tourism. Normally when you promote tourism in medical tourism in India, it is absolutely a medical tourism. We mix it with relaxations and sightseeing and the treatments.
Well, thanks for sharing all those insights on QatarIsHub.com. When people want to travel from Qatar to these countries, now they know where they have to get in touch with and who to talk to. Thank you, Mr. Kurin, for giving us all those information on QatarIsHub.com.
Thank you very much.